Children, today I will continue the lesson manufacturing industry, and we will study today about agro-based industries which get their raw material from the agriculture are known as agro-based industries. Among them are the jute textiles, silk, woolen textiles, sugar industries, etc. And we will discuss today first of all among these which are in the syllabus, that is textile industry. So what is the importance of the textile industry? It has a unique position with the context of the Indian economy and contributes to the industrial production, employment generation and foreign exchange earnings. It is the only industry in the country which is self-reliant and complete in the value chain, means from the raw material to the value added products. Now, among the textile is the cotton textiles. So in India, that is the ancient period, textiles produced with the hand spinning and handloom weaving techniques, means people they used they were not using the power looms. So when the power loom came into existence after the 18th century, these handloom goods were not able to compete in the international market because of the mill-made clothes, machine-made clothes were very cheaper and better in quality. But the first, that is the textile mill in India, was set up in Mumbai in 1854, and in the early years it concentrated in Maharashtra and Gujarat. So which factors are responsible for the location of the industry in Maharashtra and Gujarat are availability of raw material, market, transport including accessible port facilities, labor and the moist climates. So what is the importance of the industry? It provides living to the farmers, that is the cotton ball pluckers and workers engaged in spinning, weaving, dyeing, designing, packaging, tailoring and sewing. It supports other industries such as the chemicals and dyes, packaging material and engineering works. That is, hand-spun khadi provides large-scale employment to the weavers in their homes and as a cottage industry. But this industry poses some problems. What are these problems? Power supply is erratic, that is not regular in a country. Machinery needs to be upgraded in the weaving and processing sections. Low output of the labor, stiff competition with the synthetic fiber industries. So next come under that agro-based industry is the jute textiles under the textile. So India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods and stands second place as an exporter after Bangladesh. So first jute mill was set up in India in 1855 at Rishra near Kolkata. But when we got the independence in 1947, 3/4 mill they went into the Bangladesh. That time it was East Pakistan. Now most of the mills, jute mills, are situated where? Along the banks of the river Hooghly, which is in a narrow belt. So why these mills are in the Hooghly river basin? There are the reasons which factors facilitate for that industry. Here comes the proximity of the jute producing areas, inexpensive water transport, good network of railways, roadways, waterways to facilitate, that is the movement of the raw material to the mills, abundant water for processing raw jute, cheap labor from the West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh, and moreover Kolkata, which is the capital West Bengal, provides, that is the urban center, provides banking facilities, insurance and port facilities for export of jute goods to the world. Now this industry also faces the problems or the challenges. Which are those challenges? First is it faces stiff competition from the synthetic substitutes and from other competitors like Bangladesh, Brazil, Egypt, Philippines and Thailand. But in a present day scenario, the government has taken the steps to increase the demand. So the demand has increased due to the government policy of mandatory use of the jute packaging and growing global concern for the environmental friendly biodegradable materials. And the main markets for this are USA, Canada, Ghana, Saudi Arabia, United Kingdom and Australia. And the next industry under that agro waste is sugar industry. So India stands second as a world producer of sugar but occupies first place in good and khandasari. 60% of the mills are where in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Because which factors are there? Why they are here? Because the raw material used in the industry is very bulky, and in haulage means in transportation its sucrose content reduces. Thus these are mostly in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. So thus this industry is moreover in seasonal in nature, so it is ideally suited to the cooperative sector. That is means cooperative sectors means where the producers, the suppliers and the workers, they can join together to set up the industry, and that they share the profit among themselves. And but there is a tendency now, these sugar mills are shifting, okay, from the north to the south, that is in the southern and western states, especially in Maharashtra. So why they are shifting here? Because the cane which produces here has a high sucrose content, and the cool climate ensures longer crushing season here in Maharashtra, and the temperature. But what is the problem which is being faced by here? Challenges are faced here. It is seasonal nature of the industry, and old and inefficient methods of production, and transport delay in reaching cane to the factories, and the need to maximize the use of bagasse. So these were all the industries which are called as agro-based industries. We have to learn the factors why they are situated here, what problems they are faced, and these three are there in the syllabus. And next is the mineral-based industries that I will carry on in the next video. Stay blessed. Thank you.